Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos every single week. Let's get started this glute workout in a double stag position with our left leg forward, right leg back. To warm up our hips, we're just going to be doing some windshield wipers. So going from one side to the other side, try to keep your feet where they are and just do as many as you feel good doing. Let's go back to our left side double stag and we're going to open up that right knee. Lift it for 8 and 7. Keeping your shoulders and your hips facing the same direction towards your left shin. Beautiful. Let's do 4 more. 4 and 3 and 2. Keeping the hips stable. Last one. Surprise, we're going to do 8 more. Let's go for 8 and 7. We do 6 and 5, 4. Let's do 3. Get ready. Next, 2. We're going to place our right hand on the floor. Last 1. We're going to lift the entire shin off the floor. If you want, you can put your right elbow down. We lift the whole shin off for 8 and 7, 6. Really getting into that hip. 5, 4, 3, trying not to lift your hip. 2, keeping the hip nice and quiet, really working in that glute. 1. Let's hold it up here. We're going to flex into that right foot and do 16 pulses. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, almost there. 2, if you need, you can place your hand on your front shin. 1, and place it down. Beautiful. Let's do the same thing on the second side. So go ahead and place your right leg in front, left leg back, and we start with those knee openers for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, we have 10, 9, 8, really zipping up the core. 7, belly button to spine so we're not arching our back. 6 and 5. I know it's extra tiring on the second side. 4, we're almost there. And 3, we have 2. And last one, get ready to place your right hand on the floor. We lift the entire shin. Let's lift it up for 8. And we have 7 and 6. We have 5 and 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Flex into that foot. 16 pulses. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, almost there. 8, 7, 6. You can do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Beautiful. Take the soles of your feet together in a butterfly to stretch out your hips and your glutes. Next, we're going to go onto our left elbow and left hip, propping your body slightly up. Bend your left knee, right leg's on top. We lift the leg up and down, keeping the leg parallel, keeping the hips square. Let's lift it up and down for 8 and 7, really engaging the core here. 6, so we're not arching the back. 5, we have 4, 3, and 2. Almost there. 1, we're going to pulse the leg up and down for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and we start again. Tap the toe down and up for 8. And again, 7, lifting that right leg without rotating the leg in the hip. So your heel should be facing the floor rather than facing the front. Let's do 3 more. 3 and 2. Last one, we pulse it up again. Last time, let's pulse it for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. You've got this. 2 and 1. Relax. Stack your knees and stack your hips on top of one another and go all the way down this time onto your left side body. Option 2, place your hand underneath your ear if that's more comfortable, and we do clamshells with the right leg. Let's open and close for 8. And 7, also an option to let the head rest. 6 and 5. We have 4. Let's do 3 and 2. Last one. Then we tap the knees together, tap the right knee to left knee, and tap the right toe to left toe. Again for 7. Tap. Knees together and toes together. Let's go for 5. And we have 4. Tapping the toes. 3. Tapping the toes. 2. Tapping the toes. Last one. Tapping the toes. Beautiful. Extend your legs underneath you. Rotate the legs this time and kick your right leg up and down for 8. And point to go up, flex to come down. Let's do 6. And we have 5. Almost there. 4. 3. And 2. Last one. 1. Beautiful. Let's do everything on the second side. So we're going to go onto our right side body on our elbow, right hip, bend your right knee underneath you, and we're going to lift the left leg up and down 8 times. Let's go for 8. And 7. 6. We have 5. And 4. We do 3 and 2. Last one, we flex the foot and pulse it up for 8. 7. I was so tired here, so if you are 2, that's totally normal. Let's go for 3, almost there. 2. 1, lower down. We lift it up and down again, tapping the toe down, lifting it up. 4, 8. And again, 7. Let's go for 6. And 5. I know this is a challenge, but really try to keep your breathing. And 2. Exhale when you contract, inhale when you lengthen. Flex, and we pulse it up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, almost there, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Go all the way down onto your right side body, bend both knees, stack your hips and knees, and we do clamshells starting with the left leg. Let's go for 8. And 7. And we have 6, 5. Let's do 4. And 3. And a 2. Last one. Let's tap the knees together, left knee to right knee, and tap the toes. Again for 7. And 6. And 5. We have 4. And 3. And 2. Last one. Let's extend our legs underneath us and rotate both legs so we can kick our left leg up and down. Let's go for 8. And 7. And again 6. And 5. We have 4. And 3. And 2. And last one. Beautiful. Go ahead, prop yourself up. Take a stretch in a butterfly once again and fold forward to really stretch out and relax your glutes. Go ahead and kick your left leg over top, planting it flat on the floor. Right leg can kick underneath you and twist against your leg in a nice deep twist. And then do a little counter stretch the other way for a second. Place the knee on top of the heel on top of the knee. Option to fold forward here if you can. I was super tight after this, so if you just want to sit here too, that's totally fine. And let's switch sides. Go ahead and lift your right leg up and over, cross it on the other side of your left thigh, twist against the leg. And then once again, place the knee on top of the heel on top of the knee, and fold forward if you want here, or just stay here like me because I was super sore already. For our last glute series, we're going to go on all fours and do some fire hydrants. So starting with our right knee, we're going to open and close it 8 times. Let's go. Belly button to spine, push away from the floor. We lift it up and down for 8. and 7. We have 6. And let's do 5. And we have 4. Let's do 3. And 2. Last 1. Then we lift the leg up and down. 8. Little kickbacks. 7. Let's go for 6. And we have 5. Imagine you're stamping the ceiling with your foot. Let's go for 4. And we have 3. And 2. Last 1. Beautiful. Lift the knee back to the side. We pulse it out for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We do the same to the left, lifting it up and down for 8. Fire hydrants for 7. And let's go for 6. We have 5. Almost there. 4, 3, and 2. Last 1. We lift the leg up and down. Again, imagine that you're stamping the ceiling with your foot and keep your knee facing the floor. Hips facing the floor as well, just like the shoulders, belly button to spine. We have 4 more. Keep going. Beautiful. Open the knee, pulse it out for 16. And relax. Go ahead, tuck your toes under, lift your hips up into a downward facing dog to relax the back of your legs. Let's shift forward with the right knee forward in a pigeon, really stretching out that front hip. Option here to go forward or just stay here if that's what you want today. Let's bend our back knee and then do a little mermaid stretch. Reach our right hand up and over, grab the left shin, and then walk your hands back to the mat. Tuck your toes under, lift your hips up into your downward facing dog once again, and then thread your left leg forward into your pigeon. Bending your left knee, right leg behind. Nice deep stretch for that front leg. And then bend your back knee, reach your left hand up and over into a little mermaid stretch. Beautiful. Final stretch for today. Take the soles of your feet together in your butterfly. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bring your nose past your toes to relax your glutes. I know this was so challenging, guys, so let me know in the comments down below if you like this video, what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.